Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by putting on gloves and protecting your neck and clothes. Apply petroleum jelly to the hairline to avoid stains. Once done, do the patch test result check and confirm hair is dry and detangled. Measure the colorant and developer precisely using the kit ratio shown. Pour into the applicator bottle or bowl and mix vigorously for 30-60 seconds until smooth. Make sure to label the bottle or bowl with start time so you track processing consistently. You begin by unclippering one quadrant and releasing a thin subsection. Apply color to the roots first because they process faster due to heat from the scalp. Once roots are saturated, pull the color through to mid-lengths and ends. This prevents banding and ensures even tone. Make sure to work quickly but carefully, rotating through each quadrant to maintain consistent timing. When all hair is covered, comb gently with a wide-tooth comb to blend product, and set your timer for the recommended. You rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water until it runs clear, then apply the conditioning treatment that came with the kit and leave it on the recommended time to seal the cuticle. Once rinsed and towel dried, style as usual but avoid hot tools for day to let the color settle. If you notice patchiness or brassiness, don't reapply immediately. Wait 48 hours and try a color depositing mask or toner, and if problems persist, consult a professional colorist for corrective options.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.